Coding was hard, like I mean really hard. I'll go to YouTube, watch tutorials, but as I watch tutorials, it becomes more confusing. So I learned 4 things that helped me, that aided me in my coding journey. And I will be sharing with you these 4 things so that it will be more simpler for the people that want to learn coding. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Apaita Kubene Chibike and I'm from Sketch Motion. And in this channel, I post fun and beginner friendly tech activities and tech tutorials for you guys to learn. So stay tuned because the fourth one will shock you and will make you want to learn more coding and make coding easier to learn. This video, I'm going to share the 4 things I learned so that when you guys want to learn, it's more easier for you people. And stay tuned because of the fourth one will make coding fun for you to learn. The first thing I did is I stopped watching tutorials and I started building projects. Now, a lot of you think that why would you watch tutorials? But how if you don't watch tutorial, how will you build your project? But the answer is watch tutorial, but don't overwatch it. When you watch it, try to build project, try to practice because some people just watch 100 tutorials in a day and don't practice anything. Practice makes perfect. When you practice is when like practice is the best teacher. When you practice is when you know and have more knowledge about coding and stuffs. You don't just watch tutorial every day, maybe 20, 15 in a day. No, you have to practice. Use that time for watch tutorial to practice. I was like that also. In a week, I can watch 15 to 20 tutorials, but later I won't learn anything. So the best thing is to practice. Practice from small things. You can use ChatGPT to guide you. You can build a simple calculator, a to-do app. Just practice. Practice is best or is better than watching tutorials. So I leave you with this. Stop watching and start building. Guys, the second thing I learned is I started thinking like a problem solver, not only a coder. Now, to be sincere, guys, when I asked ChatGPT for I need a code to guide me to build this stuff or build this stuff, when ChatGPT brought out the code, to be sincere, I usually copy the code from ChatGPT and paste it into my VS Code. But that is not the correct thing to do. You have to ask yourself, I'm not a coder. Or you have to tell yourself, I'm not a coder. I am a problem solver. You have to ask yourself, what exactly do I want to do? What input and output did I want to expect? Can I break this big task into smaller tasks? Those are the questions you have to ask yourself for you to become a good problem solver, not only a coder. So I shifted my mindset from how do I write this code to how do I solve this problem. So my advice to you today is that don't copy code from people work or don't guess code. Try to try to analyze the problem and write code according to the problem to give you accurate results. So the third thing that helped me is I mastered one language first. And to be sincere, guys, only 2 language I know now. From like right now, only 2 language I know. So this is one thing that let me say that wicked me. First, I jumped from Python to JavaScript, then from JavaScript to C++, then from C++ to Python again, and then from Python I went to Go because it sounded cool. But that is to be sincere, that spoiled everything. Everything has a basic or almost the same basic, but I did not go deep to learn about it. So I made a decision that I will master everything. And for me, the one I mastered was Python. And that made a difference. So once I stuck into one first, I learned how to write clean code, why some certain structures exist, and when to use some languages. So my advice again is pick one, master it, and also explore others. The fourth thing I learned is I learned to read code, not only write code. Now, there's a difference between read and write code. When you write code, you are practicing and writing what you already know. But when you read code, you can read code from other platforms like GitHub, open source projects. And when you do that, you are unlocking new levels. When you do that, you see how new projects are structured, you see new ways to solve problems. Every time I would ask myself, why did I do this? And that's how your brain grows. So, another advice is read code, learn from others, and then write read code like a book, learn from others, and then write yours better. Guys, at the beginning of the video, I told you that the fourth one will make you or will help you or help your coding journey fun. So I want to give you a bonus as we actually help your coding journey fun, and is that I joined a community. Now, guys, coding alone is like climbing Mountain Everest barefoot. When I joined the community, I saw people or like-minded people. I can ask questions when I feel stuck. I had people to build with, and I had people to share my progress with. You don't need to go through this journey alone. There are tons of communities everywhere, like Discord, where you can join. Let's recap. Watch less tutorials and build more. Think like a problem solver. Master one language first. Read more code than you write, and the bonus is join a community. This join a community, it helps a lot. And these 4+1 tips helped me a lot. It's made the same from impossible to I can do this. If this video helped you or you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.